Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Substack for affiliate newsletter promotions step by step clearly. Creating a Substack account is the first step. Visit the Substack homepage and click on Start Writing. You'll need to enter your email address to create an account. Choose a password that you will remember. After signing up, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into Substack with your credentials. Next, set up your profile in the account settings. Upload a profile picture and add a bio that describes you. Now, look for the new post option on your dashboard. In the post editor, start crafting your newsletter content. Focus on providing value while promoting affiliate products. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content. Use engaging headlines and subheadings to break down your ideas. Once your content is ready, consider scheduling it for later. Choose a date and time that aligns with your audience's engagement patterns. After scheduling, navigate to your settings to manage your newsletter options. Decide if you want to offer the newsletter for free, paid, or a mix of both. Set up a payment processor like Stripe to manage your payments seamlessly. When everything is in place, publish your newsletter. Promote your newsletter across social media and other platforms. Engage with your audience through comments and email responses. Monitor your affiliate link performance to see what resonates best. Continuously refine your approach based on feedback and analytics. Consistency is key, so maintain a regular publishing schedule. Keep testing different affiliate products to find the best fit for your audience. Stay updated with Substack's features to optimize your newsletter experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.